No, seriously, what is this place?
This is heaven.
I already told you. The girls that get it, get it. The girls that don't, don't.
This is how bees build their hive. They link their legs together and they make a little living chain of bees. These chains of bees are called festoons, and when bees are festooning like this, they're using their little bee bodies to warm up the space around them so that it's easier for them to build and repair the beeswax comb of their hive. It also makes it easier for me to scoop them up with my hands. And seeing the way that bees work together for the collective good of the colony makes every day another great day of saving the bees.
Seagull living life on the edge.
Just standing there, menacingly!
You're probably wondering just how many things had to go wrong for this to happen. This was back in the ancient times of 2004 in Kazingwa National Park in India. Forest rangers were made aware of a tiger seen wandering near a village close to some cattle, which was a problem because any tiger that attacks someone's cattle is liable to get murked by that farmer. So the plan was to find the tiger, tranquilize her, and then airdrop her to a more remote place in the wild. There was actually two big problems with this. Earlier, 2 young tigers were also rescued and released. Turned out, those were her cubs. And number 2, tigers are 500-pound weapons of utter vengeance with a 12-foot vertical. They're a vibe check that could box jump a small plane. All that added up to this man being at the worst place at an even worse time. There isn't a force in nature more intimidating than a turned-up mother. The mother mauled the man, who for some reason brought an elephant hook to a tiger fight. Also, we have to acknowledge the sheer balls of a tiger launching itself at a whole elephant. The man survived but went to bed with less fingers than he started with. Don't think they ever caught the mother.
I've never seen a snake this color. Anyone know what it is?
I was only falling in love.
Fastest catfish caught ever.
Oh, god damn!
All around you are spirits, child. They live in the earth, the water, the sky. If you listen, they will guide you.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mutton pie, not the way I do